Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Middleware.AiAcademy. In today's video, I'll show you how to install JDK 17 and Apache Tomcat 11 step by step on a Windows machine. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to run Tomcat locally, access it on your browser, and even log into the Tomcat GUI manager. So let's begin. First, you have to open browser. In the search button, you have to type download Apache Tomcat. Select the first link. Here in left hand side panel, check for the which version to validate which JDK is supported with which Tomcat version. So supported Java version is 17 and later with Tomcat 11. Let's open Tomcat 11 in new window. Now scroll down to download Windows Service Installer for Windows machine. Let's download Java now. Open browser and from here download Java 17. Just search right on the search button, download Java 17. Open the first link. Here, scroll down and download Java for Windows 64 installer. Scroll it down and you will find download Java for Windows 64 installer. So here it is. Click on the link and let it download. So it is getting download. Let's wait. Here is the progress of the download. You have to wait a little. And finally, yes, it's going to be download now. It is downloaded now. Let's first install JDK 17. Click yes to continue. Now it's preparing to install. Now you have to press next and next again. Let the installation complete. It will take few minutes, so just wait for that. And finally it's been done. Click on close. Now let's install Tomcat 11. Click on the icon and again press yes to continue. Click on next and I agree. Select all components. Yes, select all the components and click on next. Keep the port number 8080. Set the password for Manager GUI. And then click on next and next again, and now press the button. Click on install basically. Now uncheck show readme file and click on finish. Let the service manager to start the service. We can double check from services if Tomcat service is running or not. It's running fine. Now open browser and type localhost 8080. Here we have to type localhost 8080. If you are seeing this, you have successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations. Let's click on Manager app and test login. Enter your credentials and we have logged in successfully. And that's it. We have successfully installed JDK 17, configured Apache Tomcat 11 on Windows, accessed it through localhost 8080 and logged into the Tomcat Manager GUI. In the next video, we'll look at Tomcat folder structure and key configuration files. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Share this video with your friends preparing for Linux and middleware interviews. Thank you so much.